Monday, 20th of April, and it's warmed up here and it's really melting in the yard. Saturday, Aidan wasn't here. Sunday, Dad and Mom took a day off and they went and visited their friends. And as soon as I arrived out here today, I was sent right back to town to pick up some parts. Dad needed some wire for his welder. And Aidan's busy chiseling and grinding here. And we can see they got some cutouts that they've already made here that they got to do. And looks like the sides were already cut out. I think that might be what that was for. Probably the reason is too much Bondo again. So really gathering a lot of dust up into the shop. I wish these guys would open the doors. That's already thick with dirt already, and you can really test the metal in the air in the shop right now. So got to get these guys to open the back doors just for clean air. But a couple extra chunks drowned out there, I see, and so it's just the continuation of these guys getting this down to the bare metal, or as much as possible, because once they do that paint job, everything's got to stick on there. And looks like Aidan would have done this here today and pound out as much of that as they could. And Dad's just feeding his wire wheel now onto his welder. And let's check on the inside here. Oh, they got the new plates installed already for where they have to get to the new... Oh, and this is done as well. One plate, Dad says. So when he did his order the other day, that's what he had to do. And Aidan looks like Aidan's taking out the... Aidan's taking out the back area. Anyways, I'll let these guys continue on here and then we'll check back in with them later on. So this is all the steel order here, and it's I can't remember if I showed this on the video the other day or not. So talked to Dad there last night, and I told him, I said, really has to do a lot of housekeeping here when it warms up. The reason we got to do a lot of housekeeping is we just got to make the space. So Aidan's just doing a little cleanup here at the end of the day. Aidan, what were you doing here? Just you're cutting out all the old metal? Or?
Yeah, all the cancer. I can't really show you now, but all that body putty came out of a pocket about this big.
Oh wow.
So it's another one of those.
Is it the same on that side too, or don't know?
I imagine like wherever it's cracked is going to be a pocket like that.
Yeah.
Like some of them you can see from the other side, but
really?
Some of them they just pop out.
Okay.
And like this shit isn't really attached anymore.
Well, like better to just put a new piece in then, right? And then you don't have to worry about it.
Like the alternative would be to try.
Wow, is that the old one? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can see how thick that stuff was, and they put multiple layers of different shit on there.
Yeah, well, hit it over the last 50 years.
Yeah.
So start from scratch again. What are you gonna do on top there? Are you gonna just like you got some big chunks there?
Like a lot of this, I'm sure it'll be even more dense. Like once we put the stripper on it and take it outside and wash it down.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fucking body putty all over the place.
Okay.
So we'll see what we can pound out.
Yeah.
And then what just needs to be cut.
Okay.
And replaced.
So it is melting outside, but I can imagine these guys might be on this for another 2 weeks, possibly. before they can get everything done, because you know, just one piece like this takes all day to pound out and clean up and whatever else. So, and then all these little holes, they can't really exactly see everything.
No, if you stand up on here,
Yeah.
you can show them. Like there's two great big strips up there.
Yeah.
That are completely up.
Yeah, that's got to be two big strips. Wow. Didn't realize it was that bad. So, just a little noisy here. Dogs are all outside except for Nina and the cat. So, I'm going to let these guys continue on, and I would just check in with you guys on down the road. Pretty hungry. Ran straight for the food dish.